Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking one consistent format, paper, app, or spreadsheet, because consistency beats complexity. Once selected, make the first entry now: date, time, body weight, sleep, and a quick energy rating. Next, write your warm-up in the first main lift with sets times, reps, and weight. Note RPE or how hard it felt. This immediate practice teaches you to capture details that reveal progress and limits, so make a habit of logging every set you perform. Once you have entries, start comparing sessions to apply progressive overload. Note your top sets from last time and plan a small, measurable increase. Make detailed notes on accessory lifts, tempo, range of motion, and any mobility or pain cues so you can troubleshoot technique. Also log nutrition, supplements, stress, and sleep changes, because these modifiers explain performance swings. By compiling these details over weeks, you'll see patterns and know exactly which variable to tweak to keep improving. You finish each week with a brief review. Summarize trends, note new personal bests, fatigue levels, and how well you followed the plan. Once done, set clear targets for the next week, specific weights, reps, or technique cues, and adjust volume, intensity, or exercises if progress stalls. If things go wrong, reduce load by 10 to 20% for a recovery microcycle and reassess sleep, nutrition, and stress. This loop of review, adjust, and troubleshoot keeps the journal actionable and growth-focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.